Today we are going to learn 5-minute strategy, which is based on scalping, and it has very high accuracy as well. So what you have to do is just switch to the 5 minutes chart. I prefer trading GBP USD because of its volatility and highly trending moves. So once you are on the chart, on the 5 minutes chart of GBP USD, what you have to do is you have to you have to see whether the market is trending or it's consolidating. So if the market is consolidating, for example, here is the area which is consolidating. You can see the price is ranging. So what you have to do is you have to simply wait for the consolidation to break, and once the consolidation is broken, like in this area here, the consolidation is broken, so here you buy. Okay, so here you buy and place your stop loss within the consolidation. You can see like if here is a distance of around 10 pips, then you can sorry, if the distance is of 20 pips, you can place your stop loss in the middle, like it could be here. So from here to here your stop loss would be, it could be any distance, like 10 pips or 20 pips, it could be anything. But the important thing is managing your money, managing your risk per trade. Although there's a different topic, but just for your information, that you should not risk more than 1% in each trade. So if you buy here, placing your stop loss here, and wait for the price to reach the immediate resistance level as your target. So how could you find the immediate resistance level? Just zoom out the chart. Okay, so you can see these peaks and valleys. Okay, this is a peak, and this is another peak. Okay, so let's get back to the chart. Okay, so entering here, we can potentially target our TP around this area. So this is how it works, and we have another way to trade, and that's based on if the market is trending. So here the market was consolidating. Now let's assume if the market is trending. Okay, this is a good trend from here to here, around 26 bars, 26 candles in the move. So if you see a sudden rise with a big candle, it means we have a very good flow of orders in this area. For example, if you see this candle, so this is a very big candle. It has a shadow in the bottom as well. So this indicates that we have a very strong buying in this area. So this green line is 20 moving average. So if the price closes above the 20 moving average, like in this case it did here, so we will place our entry around this area, and our stop loss would be slightly below the recent swing low, and our target would be the next resistance level. Here we can see the immediate resistance level is here. So here you can see that the risk to reward ratio is 19.9 pips and is the risk, and around 30 pips is the profit. So it's kind of 1 ratio 1.5, which is still quite good.